In front of me is ALCATEL 1 from 2022, and let me show you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all, you need to open your camera app. Then just switch to video mode and click on settings icon. And now you will notice video quality at the top of the list, and here you can manage your video resolution. Just mark this option in which you would like to record your videos in, and it will be applied right after you mark it. So this is it, this is how you can change video resolution. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.